fucking jump.
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let me move this camera because this is a big box. Tired of these Jordan 5s already. You guys already know what the Jordan 5 box looks like. I'll get you guys a little bit of box action, a label action. Let it focus. This is the Air Jordan 5 Retro SE Regal Pink and Ghost Copper, aka the Jordan 5 2002 Easters. A lot of people are going to be wearing these to church, out to eat on Easter Sunday. Let's get this show underway. These may never touch my feet, but I had to get one. Since everything is sitting, I was even able to use gift cards for this shit. So I'm extra happy. Anytime I get to wear a gift card. Looking at the shoe now, it's not that bad. The pastel, or the faded salmon, or whatever color you call it, but men wear the pink looking color. It's outstanding. The shoelaces are actually pretty decent. I can actually say that this really is a quality Jordan 5. Know what you guys think of the colorway? Know what you guys think of the shoe? There's a tie-dye, iridescent. I'm going to show you guys interior as well. So all the materials, the nubuck or the suede on this shoe feels pretty good. The icy Eastery bottom, as you guys can see with the Easter pastel colors. I got a Charlotte Hornets hat to go with this. I was going to go get it to put in the video, but I said nah. But it's the same color as the bottoms. You see the 3M hits lighting up. Let's see if I can get you guys a little bit of inside action. You see the insole of the shoe is rainbow colored. Not a bad Jordy. Not a bad Jordy, in my opinion. Let me know if you guys were going for this Jordy. Are you looking for it? I was able actually to find this in size 13, so I was happy. It's not often that you get to find Jordan 5s in size 13. 12.5 and 13 on these seem to be selling out fast. Must be the money sizes. But yeah, it's not a bad shoe. One of the best Easter Jordan 5s I've seen for a while. Okay, you guys look what the shoe's going to look like on your foot. We'll get ready to wrap this video up. So let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you're buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day. Good Easter shoe.
Everybody fucking jump.